Dear students, welcome to Zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer Biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a Zoology class of Standard 10, Chapter 5. Today's topic is common diseases of digestive system. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about causes, symptoms and remedy of some diseases of digestive system. At first, dyspepsia. Symptoms of dyspepsia: pain in upper abdomen, abdominal flatulence. What is flatulence? Flatulence is accumulation of gas or acidity in the alimentary canal. Feeling stomach full, burning sensation in the chest, nausea or vomiting, sorbless, that means in Bengali it is called tog dhekur. Causes: infection in stomach, depression. Depression is harmful for our body. Depression is one of the main cause to increase the blood pressure in our body, as well as it's causes the acidity or increase the acidity into our stomach. A disease of pancreas, thyroid problem, enzyme deficiency, diabetes, etc. Dysentery. Name of the pathogens of dysentery: number 1, Entamoeba histolytica, a protozoan. Shigella, it is a bacteria. Symptoms: frequent bowel elimination, stool and mucus, abdominal pain, mucus and blood in the stool, unable to digest dairy products. Prevention of dysentery: drinking pure water, wash fruits and vegetables carefully, wash hands with the soap or ash after passing stool, use sanitary latrines, wash hands and utensils carefully. Constipation. Actually, constipation is not a disease of our digestive system. Actually, it is abnormalities of our digestive system. When stools become hard or stool does not pass for 2 or more days is called constipation. Symptoms: due to constipation, passing out of stool become difficult, uneasy feelings in the abdomen, abdominal pain and various accompanying disorder. Accompanying disorder of constipation is gastritis, dyspepsia, etc. Causes: a habit of not responding when the bowel impulse sends its alarm, excessive water absorption from the undigested part of the food. Water is absorbed by our large intestine. After completing the total digestion, then water will be absorbed. If water is absorbed before large intestine, then different types of problems are arised in our digestion. Slow movement of the undigested part of the food in the alimentary canal, leading a lazy life, intestinal disorder, etc. Gastric ulcer. The inflammation and injury to stomach or intestine is called ulcer. What is inflammation? At first redness, redness to hot, hot to swollen, swollen to painful sensation is caused by infection or injury called inflammation. I am saying again, if redness, redness to hot, hot to swollen, swollen to painful feelings is done by infection or injury is called inflammation. Symptoms: feeling continuous dull pain in the mid part of the abdomen, vomiting, sometimes the blood may come out with stool and vomit. Causes: long irregularities in taking food cause the over secretion of acid, infection in stomach, eat more fried foods, eat more spicy and oily foods, etc. Worm related disease. Parasite. What is parasite? An organism that lives in or on an organism of another species and benefits by taking nutrients or shelter is called parasite. I am again saying again, an organism that lives in or on an organism of another species and benefits by taking nutrients or shelter is called parasite. Roundworm, threadworm, tapeworm, liver worms, etc. are the worms which attack our body or leave our body inside as parasite. Symptoms: abdominal pain, weakness, indigestion, nausea, insomnia. Insomnia means sleeplessness. Loss of appetite is called in Bengali ক্ষুধা Anemia is called in Bengali রক্তশূন্যতা. Actually, the lack of RBC in blood is called anemia. Enlarged abdomen, swelling of hands and legs, etc. Prevention of this type of disease: making habit of taking raw fruits by proper washing. Before taking fruits, wash your hands properly. Use sanitary latrine not to take semi-boiled food. Diarrhea. Causes of diarrhea: one type of microorganism is responsible for mainly diarrhea called Escherichia coli. Drinking impure water, taking of dirty foods, use of unclean utensils, take of food with dirty hands, etc. Symptoms of diarrhea: frequent loose motion, vomiting, feeling of thirst, dried up mouth and tongue, shrinking of skin, sunken eyes, etc. Treatment. Treatment of diarrhea. You know, the main treatment of diarrhea have to use saline, oral saline, rice saline. After taking oral saline or rice saline, you are being too much weak, then you finally must have to contact with doctor. Homework. Mention the symptoms of dysentery. How can we keep ourselves free from gastritis? Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.